Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna give some love to the WRX. I'm gonna be working on doing the front mount intercooler and the intake system, and I'm probably gonna have to change the AC condenser as well since it's busted. I don't know what's going on with it. There was like a hole jammed into it as soon as I was driving on the highway going to work, and I guess something pierced it and caused all the refrigerant to come out of it. So I'm gonna have to, might as well, since I'm gonna be, taking off the front bumper, I said, hey, might as well just knock it out while I'm here. So hopefully I'm gonna try to see if I can document some of that and show you guys how to do it, because I know I haven't seen any videos on how to remove a condenser and replace it on a VB yet. So we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned. So in order to install the ATS front mount intercooler, you're gonna have to remove this, and the same thing on the other side, and you're gonna have to move this out of the way to be able to take the other crash bar off. And I also removed this piece that sits down here, and I'm probably going to be removing this piece right here as well. I might keep it, I don't know, we'll see. I also had to replace my AC condenser. It's just a couple bolts here, bolt here, bolt there, and these ones right up here. And then you're pretty much going to just loosen this up here, take this off, move this back, move the radiator back, and then it would just literally slip right up. And it's really easy to uninstall and install a new AC condenser. But the next thing I'm going to do is that there's a couple brackets, one on this side and one on that side, that I'm going to have to put on. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the top mount intercooler. Oh, and if you want to get easier access to take off the intake system, you will definitely have to remove the one side fan. It just makes life so much easier, and especially when you want to go ahead and take this charge pipe off. There's a couple clips here. I don't know if you can, let me see if I can get it to focus. This right there, you're gonna have to use a needle nose to unclip it, take this bad boy off. And then you have to take this bolt, that bolt, this one and that one. And then those ones up there, and it should come right off. There we have it, folks. She's installed. I gotta say, it's very annoying. For you guys, if you haven't done it before, make sure you pay attention to those. Sorry about that shitty ending. What I meant by pay attention to those, I meant the clamps, because some of them might be smaller than the others. So I had to sit there and remove some of them, put the other ones on, and remove them, put them on, and just see which one fits where. Because I thought I had them all the same, but it turns out there's a couple that are actually smaller than the rest. So overall, the job wasn't really that bad. It did take me about 6 hours to do, but then again, it was my first time ever, replacing a front mount intercooler and adding an intake and doing all that stuff. I've had cars before, but I've always had other people help me with them or do them for me, and I'd pay them, but I just decided that I wanted to do it myself this time. So hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.